If you want a simple way to track project timelines, building a Gantt chart in Google Sheets is easier than it sounds. Start by listing your task in one column, then add start and end dates next to each one. From there, create a timeline across the top using one column per day or week, depending on how detailed you want to be. Next, use conditional formatting to fill in the cells that fall between each task start and end dates. This creates a visual block that represents your schedule. You can color code different themes or categories and even update dates as things change. The chart updates automatically to make it easier to read. Freeze the first column in row so your tasks and timeline stay view as you scroll. You can also add status labels and or progress percentages in another column to give a quick overview of how everything is moving. If this helped you visualize your projects better, follow for more practical Google Sheets tutorials you can uh, use. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.